Hey kittens, what's up? Toby's getting a bath. Toby's getting all clean.
We need to do this inside. We need to do this inside.
Yeah, no one wants to see him get a bath.
This one's so dirty.
Toby loves getting a bath.
Come off. We're working on it.
Toby's getting a bath.
Because you don't want to put it under the water.
Toby loves getting a bath. Who's that? I mean, it's been on the ground. I'm surprised it's not dirty. I'm surprised it's dirt. I'm not surprised it's dirty. Is Toby almost done with his bath?
We need to dry him off though.
We could drive him.
Make sure you dry. The wheels don't really matter. Just make sure you try the other stuff. Does it work good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's made for tricks, not made for speed.
Yeah.
I wish there was like a boat setting where you could balance it out so it could be for speed.
I think you got it clean. That's how to get car wash.
Yeah, it's getting a car wash. Driving smoother, I can tell. It just got driven in some powders or whatever. So.
Alright.
Do this. It's done. The car wash is done. It's the car wash. Car wash. Car wash.
Bath.
What is it called when where do cars go to get to wash? A car wash. So we're giving him a car wash.
It's not at a car wash.
But
It's a bath.
it's Brandon's car wash.
Where does it say Brandon's car wash?
Come on,
I can control it way better.
well, that's because you always use it, so I can't control it.
So I remember when you said that, give it to me, I can control it better.
But you always control it, so I can.
No, I'm just saying. I'm not saying that you're bad.
I can never control it because that's the reason I don't get any practice.
And what were you doing this morning? Not playing with the car? Do you like the red side or the black side? I like the red side.
Your favorite color is black.
I know, it's just easier because like the windshield goes in front, but on the black, the windshield is in the back.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Look, flip it over. See?
No, but look, you drive forward, backwards. Oh yeah, true.
See?
Yeah.
What I tell you.
DJ, every time you just be writing some, you don't always have to be, see what I tell you. You don't have to always do that. You know that, right? And you don't have to film everything.
I did have to, yeah.
Shut up, DJ. I need to go get my jacket.
Okay, can I control it? Making me walk all the way down here. I hate walking. I really don't like it when Brandon makes me walk.
You You see what bad of a YouTuber he is? He treats me poorly. Everyone, go unsubscribe from Brandon. And his second channel. Brandon Madden 2. Oh no, DJ, I have to walk a couple steps to get to. Oh
I
no,
know, right? It's terrible.
You're so crazy. You're so sarcastic. You know, I would have to walk back too.
Mhm.
You know, it's not all about you.
Mhm. Never said it was.